Kelly Shaffner here. I have my Bolzano handbags. Yeah, this is my monthly subscription of Bolzano handbags to share with you today. I am really glad that you popped in to see what I received in my handbag subscription for September. If you're new, I want to welcome you. Hello, it's nice to have you here. I hope you'll subscribe. Subscribe and join me for another video. To my returning subscribers, hello. How are you? You guys are great. Thanks so much for joining me once again. I do want to start this video by letting you know that the owner of Bolzano Handbags, Leilani, actually gives me this handbag in exchange for my honest review. So that's what you get when you watch my Bolzano handbags. But before we get into this handbag and what she sent this month, I want to talk a little bit about the actual subscription. With this subscription, you do go online and fill out a style survey, and they show you just a bunch of different styles of handbags, and you check yes or no. I would love to try it. I don't want to try it. You can let them know whether you like large bags, small bags, hobos, satchels, totes, you name it. I think Bolzano carries it. They do have a very large variety of bags. And speaking about the variety, you can actually just go to the website and purchase a handbag outright. But I want to tell you why this subscription is such a fabulous deal. Now, with the subscription, a stylist picks out the bag for you, so you really don't know what you're getting. It is always a surprise to see what's inside this package. But I do want to share with you some of the bags that are for sale on the website, because you could possibly get one of these bags in your monthly subscription. So I do browse the website and I found this fabulous tote. This tote is called the Elise Couture tote. It is in a sapphire blue, a very pretty color. It is made out of leather. It retails for $250, and it might possibly show up in your subscription. The next bag I want to share with you is the Fiore Oversize Messenger bag. This one retails for $206. And yes, again, it is cowhide leather. I really like this bag because I like the colors, the black and the platinum together. Beautiful. This one also has the working lock and key. It has an adjustable strap on it, and the hardware on this one is nickel, $206. That might be included in your monthly subscription. The next bag, I've actually received this bag. I did get it in red. I do think it's available in other colors. This is the Fiore satchel, and the original price on the Fiore satchel was $398. If you want this bag, you can go to the website today and buy it for $200. $200. And I received it in my subscription. This is an amazing bag. It is in a bright poppy red. It's got gold hardware on it. It has that working lock and key. This one is really a fun bag that I truly enjoy. The last bag I want to share with you before I open my Bolzano handbag is the Fiore Belt Bag. I received this bag about a year ago, and I received it in black, but it is available in red. You can buy it on the website today for $140. I love this bag. I like this bag because the hardware makes it a little bit fancier than just a leather belt. It's adjustable too. It's an adjustable strap. You could wear it around your shoulder or across your body. I choose to wear it around my hips. It does have, again, the working lock and key. It is cowhide leather. It is a fabulous bag that I use quite a bit. I just wanted to share with you some of the bags that might be included in your subscription, a couple bags that have been included in my subscription. I will link the Bolzano handbag playlist at the end of this video. If you want to see all of the Bolzano handbags that I have received, please watch those videos because they have been really great. They are such a fabulous value because these bags normally retail anywhere from $140 all the way up to $400. And you might receive them in your monthly subscription, which you can pick up for as little as $43 a month. Everything that you need to know about the Bolzano subscriptions, they offer several. You can get a 1 month, one-time subscription bag. You can get a 3 month, a 6 months, a 1 year. And everything that you need to know is in the description box below. I do have a code. If you use that code, you get a free gift with your first Bolzano bag. So be my guest, use the code, let me know what you get. And without further ado, it's time to open this one up. Okay, here it is. And this is what it looks like. The Bolzano handbags always come in a nice dust bag, and they have the little ribbon with the Bolzano name on it. So let's see. Oh, this is fun. Ooh, I like the color of this bag. Let's see. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Okay, you can see that. It's almost a cognac color. Oh, I love this bag. This one is great. What a nice fall color. Oh, look, we have side pockets, cell phone pockets, and this is awesome. We have the front pocket there and another pocket in the back. I love these exterior pockets to put the things that you use all the time. And for me, that would be my cell phone. And what else? What else do I use all the time? Because I'm gonna need to find some stuff to use all the time because I have a lot of pockets. Okay, let's look at these straps. These are the straps. And I really like this. I'm enjoying this hardware that isn't bright and shiny right now. This is like a gunmetal, and we do have those nice like studs there. And as with all Bolzano handbags, I think they do include a shoulder strap. So there's probably a shoulder strap in here. Guys, this is normally how I carry my bags. I like something that I can carry in my hand or on my arm. So let's open it up and see what the inside looks like. Ooh, look at there. Okay, because we do get luxury beauty products and accessories with the subscriptions. Okay, we do have information about the bag. This one is called the Florencia bag, and it's constructed from Peta certified vegan leather. That's very cool. It has a retail value of $165. Florencia is part of the new summer collection. It comes in baby pink, brandy, gray fog, and black. I think I got the brandy and I was calling it cognac. Anyway, these are the features of this bag. It has quilted straps. Yeah, they are kind of It has 2 outside zipper pockets. I shared that with you. It does have a crossbody strap and a great hands-free bag. It has multiple internal compartments, which we haven't seen yet. It's gunmetal hardware and it's sleek shape. $165. Score. Okay, let's see what goodies we have. Okay, I see some jewelry in here, and it looks like we have a scarf. Okay, here's the scarf, and this is a silk scarf. Look how pretty it is. Very, very pretty. Oh, I like this. There's a girl there, and her hair looks kind of like mine. See that? Oh, this is really nice. And I do believe this is a silk scarf and in very, very pretty colors. And we have 2 packages of jewelry, and it looks like they are a matching set. The first we have are these earrings. Look how pretty. It's a silver tone, like X, like a little kiss with a crystal in the center of it. And I believe this is a matching silver tone necklace. Yeah, look how pretty. Really nice. Okay, there's more goodies in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it looks like we have a phone case, but also some manicure goodies in here. Oh my goodness, I'm excited about this. This looks, it's packaged so beautifully. Okay, here's a pencil, and I'm assuming because of the color, it's a lip pencil. You guys, makeup is not my forte, so I'm not always sure what I'm getting, but I really have been enjoying the beauty products that Bolzano Handbags has sent me. They're kind of expanding my horizons a little bit, and look at, it's almost the same color as my fingernail polish, which is, you know, it's my favorite color, so that's fun. And the next piece is an eyelash curler, and look at that, it's in rose gold. Isn't it packaged beautifully? And my eyelashes need a curl. They haven't been curled in a long time. Now, I thought that was a phone case, but evidently it's not. The next thing we received is a little set of scissors, again, in the rose gold. They are packaged so pretty with this rose gold in the background. And then this instrument. And I've never seen this before. And please let me know what it is if you know. I told you this is not my area of expertise, but what I believe these are tweezers. Look at this interesting, the bottom. And I'm guessing that is to hold some false eyelashes to put on my lashes, which I really need to learn how to do that. I've never been able to do it myself, and I would love to. I hope this tool is going to help me with that. And then the last thing that I received is a little case, and the case is perfect for me to put all of my tools, and all of these tools I think are to help me make my eyes more glamorous. That is my hope. Anyway, this is so fun. Like I mentioned before, Bolzano always sends the crossbody strap or the shoulder strap. This one is adjustable. You can see the buckle. I don't take it out of the plastic because I don't use these, but I always keep them in the bag just in case if I'm out there and I decide like my purse is too much and I do want to use it. I never have, but I really want to keep the strap with the bag. I don't want to lose it or misplace it. Okay, so this is what the inside of the bag looks like. So you can see it does have a dark interior. It does have a couple card pockets on one side, and there's a zip pocket, and zips right open. It's a rather large zip pocket on this side. It's really hard to see with that black interior, but yeah, there are a lot of pockets and compartments in this bag. I think it's fabulous. Do you want to see what it looks like on? Here's the bag on. Here's the bag with the silk scarf on it. Yeah, isn't this pretty? And check it out. I don't know if I'll use the scarf on the bag, if I'll use it around my neck. It's very, very pretty. But yeah, this is the way I carry my handbags, and I know it's clashing a bit. Let's take the scarf. It's clashing a bit, but yeah, look how pretty. How beautiful. I do want to thank Leilani and Bolzano Handbags for sending me this sweet handbag. I am going to enjoy this. Make sure you check out the Bolzano website. You can get there by going through my link. It'll take you right there. Get yourself a subscription, and be sure to let me know what you think once you receive your Bolzano handbag. If you enjoyed this video, please rank it with a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back for my next video. I can't wait to see you again. Blessings to all of you.